Hi, it's Mark from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful kitty. This is a Springer brake, not any old Springer brake. This is a pure billet mirror polish brake from K-Tech or Kustom-Tech. Okay, this is for 11.5 rotor. Okay, you can see all the 3.5 originally, like everything else is. Sorry, 3/4 of an inch. You can see the difference here with the Ultima and that is this has got proper brass bushes in there. The Ultima ones just have a basically aluminium and steel. Sorry, aluminium and aluminium, which could friction weld together personally. This particular item is stainless steel as well. It comes complete with the mounting bolts. The caliper is really something else. This is a beautiful bit of machining. You can see here this is all CNC. Okay, cracking bit of kit. It really is a beautiful brake. All billet CNC aluminium. Okay, see the two halves there, where the two halves are bolted together. But this whole thing will be machined from a CNC machine. Not cheap, but as they say, you do get what you pay for. This is part number 03200 Super Freni 2-piston caliper polished aluminium. Okay, they also do like a rough version of all their stuff, including even corroded looking stuff as well. So check out Kustom-Tech, as you can see here. Okay, if you're interested in any other brakes, we do the Ultima brakes, the Performance Machine, the Roland Sands. We do all the other Springer brakes, including 4-piston upgrades. And you can obviously have a double disc as well on some of the Springers, depends on your forks and what model it is. If it's a later one without the speedo drive, obviously you can. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.